Happy day, students. I welcome you all back to the video 2 of lesson 4, Tux Paint continuation. So what did we see in the video 1? We saw about how to open a Tux Paint and Paint Tool sub toolbox and about his brush shape. So now we are going to see about some magic and this effect. Let's get into the lesson, students. Like magic, right? So now what type of magic are we going to learn in this Tux Paint? So in the toolbox, there is an option called magic. So if you click onto it on the right hand side, as earlier in my first video, I've showed you the options of the magic's various options. What are the types of options which are available? So the most special features of Tux Paint is the magic tool. It can be used to draw and give amazing effect to your picture. So I decided to show you how to do a scenery. So hope you all are watching carefully, right students? Yes. So what do we need for drawing a scenery? We need to draw a mountain, a sunset, a grass, a rivers, a flowers, a small house, a sun. Let's see how we need to do this. Now using this magic toolbox, there's an option here called mountains, and you can just do normal mountains. And after drawing with the normal paint, if you just click onto the magic, so how can we do an effect of the magic? So there is an option called grass, blurry effect, grass effect, and fill to colors and flower tools. Okay, now from the magic number 1, if you have seen, I have marked a number 1 in the picture. What is it? Blur. So what does blur magic does? Blurs the area of the picture. That is, it gives a blurry effect, not a clear effect, which is a slight blurry one. So where is it on the sub toolbox? If you click on to the blur, after once the drawing is completed, click on the blur effect, and if you just move around the brush, the effect you can see the brushes rounds are blurry. Now the green one, the trees near the mountains, for that I have given the outline as a little blurry one. Second one, how to add a grass to our scenery picture. There is an option called grass. So automatically grass will be what? Green color. After choosing the color from green color, go to the grass from the magic tool sub toolbox, click onto it. If you can see, it gives a effect, grass effect. So wherever you want, you can click on the grass effect. Next one, fill tool. What does it fill tool do? It fills the colors in an object. Yes, it is similar to the fill options which is in the MS Paint. Likewise, here also the fill tool will also do the same kind of effect. So if you see in number 3, for the water on the greenery fields and inside the mountains and clouds and all, I've used the fill colors and chose brown color, blue color, light green and so on, and fill these areas. Next we come to the flower tool. Next we have come to the flower tool. The flower tool, what does it do? It gives a flowery effect. What does it do? It gives a flower effect. It is a ready-made option to draw flowers on the canvas. Okay, so choose the flower tools, and there's one option here. You can choose the color, and different colors of flowers also can be done by choosing your flower color in the palette box, and choose the flower. Various flowers will also appear here. They have given a red color flower, orange color flower. So like that, you can try a different type of magic of drawing, either with the same scenery or some other thing. Take this option, student. One important thing is the stamp tool in the magic tool. So now, stamp tool, what is it? Is a simple tool which is used to put a stamp and add an image to our drawing. If you have a difficult drawing, if you wanted to, we will phrase it, right? You wanted to add it, so stamp tool is available in Tux Paint. So in default, you will have the penguins, which will be there for the stamp tool. But as I have given here, the website for downloading the additional stamps tool, www.tuxpaint.org/download/Windows. If you click onto it, if you look at the screen, there are various stamp tools of animals, birds, and vehicles, and so on. You can just get it and you can download it into your Tux Paint. For the first time when you wanted to download, you require an internet connection, after which you don't require an internet connection for a tux paint. Only you required it when you wanted to take a printout alone. So with that, once if you are downloaded, it would be added up to your screen and the stamp effect will appear with lots of varieties of animals and so on. So you can click onto the stamp tool and place it wherever you want it. You know what? There is two components which is called mirror effect and slope bar. Slope bar, actually what does a slope bar do? It adjusts the decrease and increase size of the stamp using the slope bar, and where you can increase the size or the decrease size of the stamps whichever you are using. And next one is the mirror effect. Mirror effect means if you want it on the left side or the right side, after choosing a picture, you can see the effect on the picture whichever you are selecting. So if you want, see, if you have seen here, I've chosen a head, that is the cock here. And using the mirror effect, I have given facing on the left side, on the right side. So you can choose however you want using this mirror effect and the slope effect, and you can make your stamp a bigger or smaller effect also. So these are the I have given the additional websites also as how to download the stamps. So when you download the stamp initially, the stamps will not be there. So you need to download separately for adding up additional stamp tools to you, to your paint. On pattern brush. So pattern brush, as we have seen in the paint tool, there are different types of beautiful patterns, like as told you, as a triangle, star, rectangle, arrows and so on. The beautiful patterns can be drawn using the paint tool by selecting the patterns shape from the sub toolbox. So using this, we have drawn a tree and the effect of a leaves. Okay, and there are many say like a triangle or a rhombus. So however you want these kind of an effects, using different brushes in this brush shape, you can select it and give an effect to your drawing. One line tool. Now we have two toolbox, which is, as I told in the beginning, paint and line. It is similar. On my first picture, you can see the see the line tool, how it is, the pattern of the line tool and how it is done. Line, what is a line? It's a straight object where it appears on the straight. This line tool and the paint tool, the sub tool box, the options are the same. Only thing, in line tool, it will all come in a straight line, and a paint you will have like a similar of a freehand. So using this, you can draw a straight line and patterns, and also in order however you want your picture to display. In the second picture, you can see how the effect of the plane tool, it appears. Freehand drawing, as I said, a wavy way, circle way, however you want, you can do it. On my first picture, if you see the line tool, I've used certain brush patterns and it appears on the straight line. A very important point. You have done so much of efforts for drawing, giving so much of additional notes to your drawing. So what you need to do? We need to save it, right? So how do we save it? There's an option called saving in your tools. And if you just click on the save button, TuxPaint saves your file, which is a thumbnail. That is, the drawing picture will appear in a small way. And here in TuxPaint, you don't have to give any name to it. It will automatically get saved. Saved your drawing. How will you know how to open it? Yes, there's a feature called open in the toolbox. If you click onto the open button, there will be a various varieties of file. Whichever the file you have saved in your TuxPaint, it will display an open button. If you click onto it, the saved file will appear. Okay. Now, till date, whichever the files you have saved, it will show you. After which you will be able to see all the images that have been saved in this points. We can view all the saved file in the form of a slideshow by clicking on a slide button after you click on the open button, and click on a play button, which will be available after you click on the slides button. You can view the slides however you want. The slide view shows every image from in the form of a big slide, like a PPT kind of a view, how you are seeing this video. And at the bottom right side of the screen, you'll also find the back button. When you click onto it, you can go back to the previous window or the drawing. These are the various features of the Tux Paint which you have seen. Hope you must have enjoyed it, and please don't forget to try these features at your home after downloading the Tux Paint. Thank you, students. You all have a great day. I'll come up with another video of interesting video of the Tux Paint in next lesson. Thank you.